Most gardeners think winter is the quiet season, but in reality, it's often when we think the most clearly. Nothing's demanding attention, nothing's running away from us. It's when we look back at what worked, what didn't, and quietly think, how could I do this a bit better next year? That's the frame of mind I want to start from. I've grown food for a long time now, in different places, different climates, different soils. And one thing I kept noticing was that the hardest part of gardening wasn't lack of information, it was fragmentation. Notes in one place, photos in another, reminders somewhere else, and decisions made without really seeing the full picture. Gardening isn't about control, it's about paying attention and remembering. That's why I built Your Growing Companion. This isn't an app that tells you what to do, it's a gardening assistant, a place where what you notice, what you do, and what happens afterwards all live together. Not to replace your judgment, but to support it. In real gardens, seasons overlap. You're planning while you're still harvesting, observing while things are growing, reacting, and then forgetting what you reacted to. The app stays quietly in the background. You use it when you plant something, when you notice something, when the season ends, or when you're thinking ahead. It's there to hold the context so you don't have to. Most of us forget exactly when we planted something, and later that matters more than we expect. So you log what you planted, when you planted it, and which variety. You can choose varieties from the app's library or add your own. Each variety includes growing notes, health benefits, and companion planting guidance, because what you grow and what you grow it alongside matters. There's also a sowing calendar, not as a strict rulebook, but as a reference point, something to check against your own climate, your own conditions, and your own experience. The monthly garden tasks aren't pressure lists. They're seasonal nudges, a reminder of what might matter this month. You decide what to do with that information. The app reminds, it doesn't nag. Harvest tracking works the same way, not to compare with anyone else, but to see what actually worked in your own garden. Over time, patterns appear, and those patterns are far more useful than generic advice. Then there are observations. You notice something, a leaf, an insect, a change. Instead of guessing or panicking, you can check whether a plant issue is something to act on or something to simply watch. The same with insects. Is this a problem or is it actually helping? The app helps you decide whether something is friend or foe and what, if anything, needs doing next. You make a note and crucially, you come back to it later. Gardening improves when we observe first and react second. Frost alerts are another quiet support. They don't stop frost, they just give you time to think. And often time is all you need. You don't have to talk to the app. Many people never do, but when your hands are dirty or you're out in the garden, voice input is there if you want it. Think of it as an extra hand, not the core of the app. This app suits gardeners who grow regularly, like learning from their own space and value calm over hacks. It probably won't suit people who want instant answers, rigid instructions, or someone else to do the thinking. And that's fine. Gardening isn't one size fits all. Winter is often the best time to start using something like this. Nothing is rushing you. It's the moment to review, to set things up properly, and to begin the next season with clarity. Once spring arrives, everything moves quickly. This is the pause. Your Growing Companion is just a tool, but for some gardeners, it becomes a very useful one. If you'd like to take a look, there's a link below. There's a free trial and no pressure. It's there to support your garden, not run it.